guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video featuring Sips By, which is a subscription box for tea. You guys, I love tea. I know I've mentioned it in my other vlogs, and I always drink tea. I love tea. My favorite tea is black tea. Black tea with milk, sweetened, that's my stuff. But I do like trying out new flavors of tea. I actually have this big tea box that somebody from Ernie's job gave to Ernie for Christmas, and I was just like, it's like they know me. So Sips By is a subscription box. Like I said, here's what their packaging looks like. It's really cute. The subscription costs $15 a month, but with my code ZIYA5, I have a code. I'm so excited. With the code ZIYA5, you can get $5 off of your first box, meaning that you get the whole box for $10. 4 different types of teas. I think that's so cute. And they're all different brands, or at least for me this time they are. Because I took a quick little peek and none of the packaging looked the same. And what's really cool about the types of tea that you get is that they are personalized. So what you do is you go onto the Sips By website and you take their quiz on your favorite types of teas, and they will send you a personalized box, and each box will contain enough tea for you to make at least 15 fresh cups of tea. Now, I usually end up using the same tea bag at least 2 times. That's just because I am thrifty. So here it is, the April box, made for Ziya. Oh my gosh, they actually said made for Ziya on here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I did not realize that they did that. That is so cute. It's actually a personalized little card. That's adorable. Okay, that's really cool. I'm not going to read that because I want to be more surprised. So the first thing we have here is not a tea. It's a reusable muslin cloth tea bag. Alright, so you have one reusable one, and then there's disposable tea bags on the inside. That's really cool. I actually bought a whole bag of disposable tea bags because Ernie has this loose leaf tea that he really likes. That's pretty cool. I really like that they give disposable tea bags. That's really neat. How many disposable tea bags are there? 7. I have 7 disposable tea bags here. So the first actual teas that I have here, I have 4 tea bags of this traditional medicinals organic green tea with peppermint. And I actually have drank this before. I do have some of this. And like I said, they chose the tea based on the answers that I gave on my, what's it called? Quiz. They got me really right because I bought this for myself already. So really, really nice. I love tea and green tea. Oh my gosh, peppermint tea with green tea. Roasted rice green tea, you guys, it's so good. Anyway, moving on. I've never seen this brand here. What is this brand anyway? Harney and Sons Master Tea Blenders. Black tea with currant, caramel, and citrus. Ooh, what? How many of these I have? Okay, I have 4 tea bags of this. So that's 4, 8, 12. And then they gave me 7 tea bags to use for this loose leaf one that I'm going to get to in a minute. But that's really cool. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited because I feel like these are probably like a more expensive kind that I usually would not buy. In the quiz, I distinctly remember them giving the option for whether you like to have like high caffeine or caffeine-free types of teas, and I said both because sometimes I like to have tea in the morning and sometimes I like to have tea at night to kind of calm down and de-stress. And like that's when I drink the chamomile tea. It helps me get tired and go to bed. So this one is high caffeine. We love this tea on its own or with a spot of milk, which I love. Moving on. The next one that I have here is this roasted herbal tea from, Ticino? This is caffeine-free, acid-free, okay. It's vanilla nut, which is really, really cool. I've never seen that. Creamy vanilla accented by roasted almonds, dates, and figs. I love dates, you guys. That's really cool. This is so pretty. Like the packaging of all these teas are so pretty. That's another reason why I love tea, because all the little packets are so cute. Like, how do you not love this? I am a fan. And so the last one that I have here is David's tea. I've seen David's tea somewhere. Probably at the store, but I've never gotten any because I feel like they are kind of expensive for me. So this one is the Just Peachy one. Juicy, sweet, and refreshing. Here's what it looks like. Let's read what it says on the card. This infusion is so peachy, it tastes just like it's from the orchard. Blend with frozen strawberries, and rum, serve chilled with Prosecco. or drink straight up with a touch of agave. This is so weird! Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. So obviously this is a loose leaf tea. That's why we have the tea bags here. I have recently gotten really into peach flavored things. I want to smell like a peach. I want to taste like a peach. I want to eat things that taste like peaches, but not myself because that would be weird. That was everything that I got from Zips By. I'm really excited to try all these teas and get my next box next month. It's really cool. So like I said, it's $15 a month, but with my code ZIYA5 you can get $5 off of your first box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. Let me know which one of these you're most interested in trying, or if you just like don't like tea and you're more of a coffee person, let me know because I like talking to you guys. Anyway, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.